On today's body cam, we're checking out man escapes police in the most unexpected way.
Steven, you all right?
I hear it up there.
Uh-oh.
When deputies in New Mexico arrest a suspected con man, they're caught off guard when he goes to extraordinary heights to avoid jail.
Steven! Get down! He's in the ceiling.
The following is based on official police records released to date, and some of the footage has never been seen before until now. On February 9, 2024, Bernalillo County deputies arrive at the home of 60-year-old Stephen Byers, a man wanted on multiple active warrants, including larceny, unlawful taking of a motor vehicle, tampering with evidence, and contracting without a license. They catch him just as he's attempting to leave.
Get down now! Let me put my dog down! Get down now! Okay. Get down! I am.
Come get you.
Let me just put my dogs up, please. Let me just put my dogs up.
You have any weapons on you?
No, I don't have no weapons at all. Can you just open the gate and let me put the dogs in?
Let's sit you up to your backside there.
Okay.
Will they like listen
Yeah,
to you?
they'll listen to me, yes.
Send them.
Okay. Thank you.
The deputies walk Stephen to a cruiser and search his pockets, finding tinfoil and a small tube containing 42 blue pills.
Can you open here? In there, yes.
What is it?
Fentanyl.
God dang.
Can you just please let me just put my dogs up?
Hey, even a little bit of that stuff, man, you'll be sent to the afterlife.
Oh, you guys got me cuffed. They won't do nothing. Please, you guys, please.
Do you have leashes or something?
If you just open the gate, I'll tell them to go and they'll run back there.
Forward.
There's only one problem. The gate is locked, and the keys are inside the truck.
Are they mean dogs?
No, they're not mean at all.
No, that's a mean one, dude.
Hey, it's okay. It's okay. Hey.
Oh, yeah, no. I'm not on that, dude.
While some of the dogs are distracted, a deputy is able to quickly reach in and grab the keys. But they still need Stephen's help getting them out of the truck and inside the gate. They decide to let him help if he's willing to cooperate.
Here's what we're going to do.
Yes, sir.
Did you move your own cuffs to the front?
Yes, I did.
Why'd you do that?
Because I was freaking out. I just needed to just
Okay,
breathe.
here's the deal.
I couldn't breathe.
So number one, don't ever do that again.
Okay.
Number two, I'm going to let you keep them like that right now because we're going to go put the dogs in the yard. We already opened the gate, but I'm going to have you do it, okay?
With Stephen's cooperation, they're able to get his dog safely inside. And while that's one problem solved, they're about to have an entirely new one on their hands. While in custody, Stephen complains of chest pain and difficulty
Of course he did.
breathing and is transported to Lovelace Hospital for treatment. There, staff administer nitroglycerin, a medication that can cause side effects including nausea. Eventually, Stephen asks to use the restroom.
No funny business. You're not gonna try to take off on me or anything stupid? No. All right. Man, we won't even cuff you. We'll just walk over here. All right.
See, and that's the problem with sometimes you give someone an inch and they take a mile, because we already seen from the front that, he's going to try some funny business. But the cops are being very lenient when in reality, there's a couple of times that would have already told you, like, no, I'm not letting you do nothing. Why? Because one, he's already been running from the cops to begin with, right? And then two, he tried to put his cuffs to the front. Well, not tried. He did put his cuffs to the front. So these are already like indications that's like, okay, this guy is trying to come up with ways to run, because then again, oh, I can't breathe. He's trying to prolong the process by going to the hospital.
Ridiculous.
No, you're good.
I know.
For several minutes, Stephen can be heard vomiting behind the bathroom door. He soon returns to the deputy's custody without incident, so there's little concern when he asks to go again. But it's during this next trip to the restroom that a strange noise catches a staff member's attention, signaling that things are about to take an unexpected turn.
Hear what? Like a, I don't know, loud sound. I don't think so.
All good in there?
Steven, you all right?
He's in the... What? I hear it up there.
Uh-oh.
Can we?
Does security have a key?
Trying to escape.
Steven! Get down! He's in the ceiling.
Okay. Do you have a key?
He's in the ceiling? Can we get him down?
He's in the ceiling?
Yeah, this door is locked.
Yeah. He just fell through the ceiling.
Can't make this
Oh my god.
Just poke the towel out.
We need a key to this door.
They're getting security. We're in the ghetto.
How you doing?
Steven, get your ass out here.
Please notate in the CAD that my 16 is trying to escape through the ceiling at Loveless.
Honey, we're gonna get you.
He's not doing very good.
While hospital staff begin moving patients in case Stephen falls through the ceiling, a member of security unlocks the bathroom door. Inside, they find
insane.
that Stephen had overturned a trash can, using it to hoist himself up through one of the tiles.
Steven, you're not getting out, bro. Get your ass down here.
He's moving that way.
Gotta be an escape
Yeah, he's
charge.
moving this way. He fall through. Where are the lights?
Steven, you're just catching more charges, bro. Get your ass down.
Once the commotion stops, they begin to fear he may have already found a way out. Maintenance brings in a ladder, allowing security to take a look around.
We just moved some of this stuff in case he can't clear.
I mean, like 4 rooms. Can we add that to the charges, like all this destruction?
No, yeah, we are.
Okay.
Just gotta get him first.
Hoping that Stephen may still be hiding, a deputy climbs the ladder to get a closer look.
So this drops down, and the like insulation is pulled out that he might have went down to the floor.
Down right there.
Yeah, like straight down under where the ladder is.
All right, he's out of the room.
Let's see if I can get down there.
Once the deputy reaches the ground, he quickly spots Stephen crouched in the fetal position.
That was stupid, huh?
Yeah. I tried. Let's go. Didn't make you go through all that.
Why would you do something like that, dude?
Just got scared.
So now
Wow.
extra charges is worth it, bro?
Come on, let's go. I'm not violent.
I don't think you're violent, but I got him right here.
I just got scared.
You got him. You got him.
Well, let me help you up, or you want to help me?
You're gonna have to go first.
Okay.
He's right here with me on the other side of this wall. No. No. We're gonna have to climb back up.
Which, if he was violent, this would be a very, very scary situation. Because you're trapped in there, and you know, the bravery on these officers, you got to do what you got to do, right? That's what you sign up for. But damn, man, shouldn't have let him out your sight like that. Because typically when we did it in corrections, before we continue, if an inmate had to go to the bathroom or something like that or whatever, right? Like, let's say a case like this where like you take an inmate to the hospital and you're still like in the public, not like in a room or anything like that. You escort him, or let's say he got a doctor's appointment, dentist appointment, whatever, right? Like an outside hospital trip, trip. You would escort him to the bathroom, but you would crack the door a little bit and you would stand there, and you know, you don't necessarily got to stare at him, you know what I'm saying? But you're there monitoring that he is, you know, that you're keeping an eye on him.
You have him detained?
We're okay. Listen, officer, you got my word.
No, I don't really give a about your word right now.
All right, well, let me get up there.
But he's gonna have to climb up to you guys.
Okay.
It's about probably, well, you saw where I went through. Here, back up so I can get behind you. And then, yeah, I have him. Here, use. He's climbing up.
Okay.
He's going up.
Okay, man.
Back up. Step down, turn around, put your hands behind your back. All right. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Do exactly like I'm telling you to. Do you understand?
With Stephen back in custody, it's now the deputy's turn to make his way out of the cramped space.
You right, brother?
Yeah, I'm coming. Tight fit.
Yeah, I was like, there's not many places you can go. Whew. All right.
Good?
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Okay.
Careful. You got it.
It's close.
Despite the near fall, the deputy makes it out safely.
You all right, man?
Hey, Sarge. So is he finished being cleared?
They just gave him meds. They were monitoring him for heart issues.
It's that nitro.
Wasn't apparent.
Yeah, say you had diarrhea and then you climbed through the roof. I don't believe you now.
I did scoop before.
She gave you a raise? Yeah, Sarge.
According to police records, hospital staff estimated approximately $20,000 in damage, including broken ceiling panels and pipes. After Stephen was discharged, he was permanently trespassed from the hospital.
I'm gonna retire early because of this. Mesothelioma. Can't breathe.
In a Facebook post, the Bernalillo County District Attorney revealed that 60-year-old Stephen Byers had a criminal history dating back 30 years, including charges of fraud and forgery, as well as multiple criminal convictions. According to court documents, following the incident at Lovelace Hospital, Stephen accepted a plea deal, pleading guilty to escape or attempt to escape from the custody of
I knew they would give him escape.
a peace officer and 2 counts of larceny. He was sentenced to 4 years and 6 months in the New Mexico Department of Corrections, to be followed by 1 year of parole. Watch our full video.